Here it comes. That is it right there. That's definitely it. That's how. Man, look at that, Dad. You see that? You should get your camera and take some pictures.
I'm pretty sure we got a tornado on the ground a few miles. That can.
Yep. That's the monster. Yeah, Dad. That. Tell her we have a wedge tornado right in front of us.
Yeah, we're looking right at it.
Ryan would be freaking out right now.
A reed? Oh. How close is he to it?
Where'd it go?
It's behind those tanks. Did you see the picture I sent? The last picture I sent about 5 minutes ago.
Here it comes. Right behind those tanks to the left.
Hold on. I'm getting nervous.
Just hang up on her. There it is. We're good. Don't worry, because it's probably rotating around the storm.
But it looks like it's moving straight at us.
If you want to go down the road, you can. Here, go where those people went. The truck. There's the emergency vehicles blocking off this road. Got that on camera. There she is. I got it on camera. It's a monster. My camera's picking it up better than I can see it. Woo!
Is this a through road?
Yeah. It has to be. Yeah, it is.
Huh?
Should go around him.
Okay, he's not interested in stopping us. Man.
There it is. I can see it on the camera. It's right. You can see it, right? The edge of it. It's pretty rain wrapped, but my camera's getting it. This goes all the way to another road. At least that's what my map said.
Just pray about something wrong out of this.
We'll be fine. Yeah, we're going south right now.
Rotating really fast.
Go really fast. Yes, go really fast. You might want to turn around, I don't know. Go, go, go. Go, Dad, go.
I
Go.
can't see.
Just go really fast. I know you can't, but you gotta go. It's right there. It's right there. Go, go, go. It's right there. You see it? Go. Dad, go. Dad, go. Oh my God. Go, 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 go. Just keep going. Just keep going.
I can't.
You got to, you got to. You gotta go, Dad. You gotta push through this.
I can't.
Yeah, too. You hit the gas, hit the gas. Just keep going, Dad. Just keep going. We made it. We made it.
I swear I can't see a thing.
Just look at the fence and then go.
Sliding all over the place.
I know. Just do it. Just go. Just keep going. Just keep going. Just keep going.
I can't go in the ditch.
I know. You're good, Dad. You're good. We're out of the clear.
Roll up the window.
It's up. It's up. We're just getting hit by the rear flank downdraft. It's probably, somewhere over 100. I'm sorry, but we probably came as close as you can get.